I don't wanna waste an entire album on you. I've been there, done that, yeah. Kinda wanna tell what went where, why, and how. Cause who cares? No, nobody cares. But I hope you soon find out how to love. Once upon a time you wanted to learn. I thought I could teach you, but you were more afraid than willingly. So when it comes, don't push it away. One day you will find it is the greatest gift. And I hope you don't take advantage of it again. Hold her when she wants to be held. Don't get let her when she's only trying to love you more. Oh, take her to a favorite place more often than not. Don't take her kindness for weakness, cause I'm sure she'll love you a lot. Support her in all she does. Don't tell her down, lift her up. That is the worst thing you can do to someone you love. Put her high on the pedestal. Tell her when she looks beautiful. Tell her when she looks beautiful. Oh.